Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix alarm app not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So alarm app not working, so you have solution, you have checked the silent mode is turned on or off. So you from here, so you have checked the silent mode. He is a turn on your iPhone, so you have turn off, and then he is a turn on, so you have turn off. Then second solution, you have open the setting and then click on sound haptics. So you have ringer and alerts tunes as sound is full, so from your iPhone, so then uh, your problem will be fixed and alarm app sound is working on your iPhone. So then other solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then volume up button, press the volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restarted and alarm app is working on your iPhone. If they are not working, there first solution, you have checked iOS update. So you have opened the setting, scroll up, click on jump, click on software update. So you have checked the iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you have update and install on your iPhone. Then here you have opened the alarm app, so you have add the alarm, so you have click on uh, plus icon, so you have repeat from you have never uh, then selected. First you have can select from any option, so you have every day, every day, so you have to select from here. So then you have label alarm, so you have here. So then you have sound, so you have select my favorite is playtime, so you have select from here. And then as soon as it is turned on, I have already turned on, so you have turn on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and alarm app is working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.